Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy S6. So, let's get straight to the point. The first step is power off your device. Now with your device powered off, we will use the volume up, home, and power buttons to get into the Android recovery screen. So press and hold all three buttons at the same time. So volume up, home, power, and keep holding power until you get to the Samsung screen. As soon as that pops up, you can let go of the power button. From here, you can release all buttons and wait to get to the Android recovery. Once you reach this screen here, we will use the volume down button to navigate down to wipe data/factory reset, and we will click the power button to select it. Now once again, volume down, yes, power button to select. It looks like our data wipe is already complete. Now just reboot the system and you are all done. Thanks for watching guys. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.